Guys, there is something very special about pasta from the scratch. Italian families are making pastas, homemade pastas, handmade pastas for ages. Once you're used to having freshly made pasta from a freshly made dough, that beats any packet pasta. You will not touch the packet pasta ever again. I've always been very intrigued about making pastas like pappardelle, ravioli, fettuccine. There are many methods. I've gone through many research and finally come to a recipe which is quite foolproof. This method, when I follow every time, it gives me perfect pasta. I've used both the methods of doing hand rolled pasta, like I rolled it and then cut into strips, made pappardelle and did a sauce with it. Stay tuned and eat pasta. It needs such basic ingredients in the kitchen. It is present in everyone's pantry. All we need are actually these 4 ingredients, of which even one is optional. Basically, you need flour, eggs and salt. That's it. The basic measurement is I've taken 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. It's a good idea to just break 3 eggs in one bowl. Separate the yolk with your hands. 3 yolks and 1 full egg. Make the well large enough to fit all the eggs. Now pour the eggs inside the well, slowly bringing in the flour inside the eggs and keep mixing it with the eggs. Now the dough needs a good kneading. Set the timer for 7 to 8 minutes for kneading. 2 ways of kneading this. Number 1, push the dough forward and pull it towards you. Number 2, the heart method. Push the dough to the left corner, then pull it towards you. Again push the dough to the right corner and pull it towards you, making a heart imprint. After kneading, wrap the dough with a cling wrap. Keep it aside for minimum 30 minutes to an hour to rest. After 1 hour, sprinkle some dry flour on the work surface. Bring out the dough and cut it into 4 halves. Keep the 3 cut doughs covered inside the cling wrap and start working with 1 cut dough. Start rolling, sprinkling some flour as needed. This is the window pane test. If I can almost see my fingers through the dough, it is good to go. Just trim the edges. Cut into strips. Give a fold like this and your fresh pappardelle pasta is ready. For cooking the pasta, boil water, season with salt, pour the fresh pastas in it. Unlike packet pastas, these will take barely 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Your pastas will float on the surface of the water. That's a test to know that it is cooked perfectly. Now the pastas look absolutely done. Now I reserve some pasta boiling water in a bowl in order to use it later. Heat up a pan. Add some butter. Add little bit of olive oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Add some garlic chives to it, lots of it actually. While this is sauteing and sizzling, add some fresh cream, some grated cheese and give everything a good old mix. Now pour the reserved pasta water and let this sauce all come together. Now add the cooked pasta to this and give it a good stir. Then add some Parmigiano Reggiano or the Parmesan cheese, and voila! Pasta is ready to serve.
Guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share. Do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any single video that's uploaded on my channel.